So 3.4, properties of logs, something else you guys got really good at in Algebra 2. So this is going to be a quick and easy section, and I hope you have some fun with the math. So we have all of these properties of logs, you know, like the log, I don't know, log base b of x is equal to n, and then we can rewrite that as b to the n is equal to x. Well, the point is we have to be able to get something down to just a singular log. So these three rules, product, quotient, and power rule, will give us some tools to either expand or condense logarithm statements like we have in A and B, and allow us to solve logarithmic equations. So let's review the rules. Let's talk about the change of base formula, and then let's expand and condense. The product rule looks like this. If you have the log base b of two things, like r and s being multiplied together, this is the same as the log base b of r plus the log base b of s. If you have the logarithm of a quotient, like the log base b of r divided by s, then you can rewrite this as the log base b of r minus the log base b of s. I think this one's the easiest to remember because this division bar looks like a minus sign. And then the power rule says that if you have the log base b of something to like maybe the nth power, you can drop that power down in front and multiply it by the log base b of r. The change of base formula says that if you're trying to find like, oh, I don't know, let's say the log base 5 of 12, you can do that using common logs by taking the common log or log base 10 of 12 and dividing it by the common log or the log base 10 of 5. That's just a quick and easy formula in case you don't have the capabilities of like changing the base on your calculator. So let's take a look at letter A. I have three things, 1, 2, 3, 8, x and y being multiplied together inside of that log. That means I'm going to write log base 10 or just common log 3 times, and I'm going to add together these three expressions. So the log of 8, the log of x, and the log of y to the 4th. But stop, hold your horses. You've got a power. If you have a power, it needs to drop in front. So my final answer will be, this can be rewritten as the log of 8 plus the log of x plus 4 times the log of y. That's how you would expand that expression. Next, let's condense. So when you're condensing, you are only allowed to write ln once. Now, I know that I'm going to have a quotient here because minus signs become the division bar. So on top, x to the 5th. On the bottom, xy. No, wait a minute. You had a number out front that needs to become a power. So you're reversing that power rule now. So this will be xy raised to the 2nd power. Make sure you keep xy in a set of parentheses because you need to square both the x and the y. And that is condensed. That's all I have to say about that. We'll practice more tomorrow. And if you're still feeling a little shaky on all of these rules, don't worry. I got you. I'm here for you. We'll practice.